So we've determined that Aaron's hiccups are probably by far the most annoying hiccups. How do they sound, Aaron? I don't have them anymore. You just did it 2 minutes ago. They're gone now. And we're going to use that awesome sound filter. So when you hear what it sounds like, I'm there too. No. That's not what my hiccups sound like. How they go? Yeah. Like that. No, you actually say the word hiccup. Oh, you do. Is that why you're calling hiccups? You go, hiccup. Hiccup. Alright, so that's, I think, the most certain thing about you. What's the most certain thing about me? Your sneezes. No. It's a spews your, it's like spit everywhere. I cover myself. Wait, no, it's like, yeah, I do. No, you need an umbrella. I need an umbrella and a face shield when you sneeze. But no, it's like, we got you. Like when Pikachu shoots out lightning? No. Pikachu! We're gonna do it, Dr. Jones. Pikachu! Not what I want to do. Just you.